Ever hear a clicking or popping sound from your Tesla after driving? It can sound like plastic cracking or something coming loose. But don't worry, it's completely normal. This usually happens when your car's plastic panels expand or contract due to heat changes. Drive in hot weather, park in the sun, or wash your car. That tick-tick sound comes from materials cooling down. Tesla uses a lot of composite and plastic underbody parts, especially on Model 3 and Y. That lightweight design helps with range, but it also means you'll hear these clicks more often. The sound may come from the wheel wells, under the doors, or near the trunk. It's just the car adjusting itself, not a mechanical failure. Still unsure? If the sound is really loud, one-sided, or happens while driving, you can always ask Tesla service to check for loose clips or panels. But in most cases, relax. That clicking is just your Tesla stretching a little. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps us make more contents like this.